It is, what day is it? Tuesday morning. And I'm taking Indy to her primary doctor right now, and we're gonna just check on her leg and make sure that everything's okay. She seems to like get tired on it towards the end of the day and feels like, she says like ouchie, boo-boo, and starts to limp a little bit. So I don't know. We'll see what the doctor says today. We have a lot to do. After this, then we have to go to Target. I have to get my sister-in-law a baby shower gift. Her baby shower is on Saturday. We have to go get her a gift at Target, and I need to get more diapers. And then after Target, I need to go to Trader Joe's and go grocery shopping. So it's gonna be super fun. I love Trader Joe's hauls, and I also went to Lululemon and where else? Free People yesterday, so I will show you guys a little Lululemon haul. And I'm also gonna put together like I've talked about this before, but I'm gonna put together my favorite athletic wear and do like a whole dedicated video to that, because I feel like I've really found some good favorites and some really good brands that I just love and I'm obsessed with. So waiting for a few more things to come in, and then I will film that video. But so excited to film that for you guys. It's 9:20 and I have an appointment in 10 minutes, so I'm gonna go and I'll see you guys in a bit. What are you doing?
Mama.
Do you have a boo-boo?
Mama.
Aww. Shoes. Hey guys, just finished with Indy's doctor's appointment. It went good. He checked out her leg and asked her to walk around. He saw like her slight limp and like the way that her foot was turned out, and he said honestly that it's normal that if she did like strain or hyperextend, or even if she does have a really small fracture, that it's gonna heal on its own and that it's fine. He's like, I could order, you know, more x-rays. He's like, but the fact that she's walking around on it is a good sign. He's like, I've had similar cases, but the kids, like, they get sent home from the ER, their x-rays were fine, and then when I've sent them for more x-rays, he's like, they still weren't walking like a week later. And then he goes, when I've sent them back for x-rays, they found a small fracture. He's like, but the fact that she's walking around, he's like, she's gonna be okay. He's like, it's just still bothering her a little bit. He's like, whenever it heals, she'll be back to normal. So that's good news. Now I'm going to meet Matt's mom for breakfast, I guess. It's only 10. I still haven't eaten breakfast this morning, so that's good. She called me when I was at the doctor's office, and she's out here for her doctor's appointment. So she just finished, and we're gonna go meet and have breakfast, and then I still need to go run all my other errands after this, so this is kind of setting me back, but it's okay. You just gotta roll with it, you know, and make it work. So let's go eat. I'm starving. Just finished at Trader Joe's. I'm so thirsty and I don't have any water in here except for Indy's. So I'm drinking Indy's water. Have any of you guys done this before? Or is it just me? Are we just walking in the middle of the street? I don't understand. Like, let's just charge straight down the middle, because that makes the most sense. Okay, goodbye. All right, you guys, I just got back from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna go through real quick and do a little grocery haul for you guys. I first got these peach and mango yogurts. These are seriously the best yogurts at Trader Joe's. I got some turmeric shots. I got this new Green Goddess seasoning blend. I'm very excited to try that on like some vegetables and stuff. Broccoli cauliflower mix, asparagus, edamame, microgreens, shaved Brussels sprouts. I got a thing of chicken broth. I got these little hummus snack packs for Matt's lunches. I also got these little snack packs for Matt's lunches. Has like salami, cheese crisp, and almonds. Potato salad for Matt's lunches. I got this curried white chicken deli salad for Matt's lunches. This as well for his lunch. Nuts for Matt as well. Potatoes for dinner. Mushroom, tomatoes, strawberry, blackberries, cotton candy grapes. These are so good. This harvest blend is so bomb, you guys. It's a blend of couscous, orzo, baby garbanzo beans, and red quinoa. So bomb, and it's so quick and easy to make as a side. Yellow bell pepper. I got these little like Pringle wannabes for Indy. She loves a good chip. Organic white bread for Matt's lunches. He refuses to eat like any of the wheat or sprouted breads. English muffins for me for breakfast. These barbecue pop chips are so bomb. Avocado, bananas. This soyaki sauce is my favorite marinade for salmon. It's unreal. These graham cracker squares for Indy. Peanut butter granola bars for Matt. And then I got some lunch meat, some salami, and turkey breast. I got 2 things of eggs because Matt likes to boil one of them for his lunches, and then obviously we go through eggs in the morning because me and Indy eat them. So 2 things of those. I wish they had and sold big cartons. At least at my Trader Joe's they don't, so I had to buy 2 separate ones. We just had these at my sister-in-law's house and we both really liked them, so I picked them up. Cauliflower stir fry. I got the beef kogi. I don't fucking know. This is what I got. The soy chorizo, my favorite. I got these turkey corn dogs for Indy. She loves a good hot dog, so I think she'll really like those. These are for me and Matt, I guess, if I'll share. These are unreal. Chef's kiss. Amazing. Like, I eat super clean and healthy, you guys, but I will never give these up, ever. Spicy chicken Italian sausage, a thing of ground turkey, tri-tip, and some pot stickers. I really like making these with their chili onion crunch sauce and a little bit of coconut aminos mixed in there. So good. I think that's everything, you guys. I feel like we did pretty good. All of this was like 200 bucks. So we got all stuff for dinners, for Matt's lunches, snacks for Indy. Also, Indy loves smelling flowers, so she picked out these flowers and she was really stoked on them. So I'm gonna clean these up and put them in a little vase. So it's currently like almost 1:30. I'm gonna hurry up and put Indy down for her nap, and then I'll also show you guys when she's asleep. I'll show you guys all the stuff I got from Lululemon and Free People. So yeah, that's what's up. I'm watching Emma Chamberlain's new vlog, and I just made my little flower arrangement. I think she's cute. So pretty. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but I really like it. And then I have a bunch of this eucalyptus left over that I didn't feel needed to be in here, so I'm gonna try and put it in a different vase. Okay, so I ended up putting the flower arrangement right here, and I grabbed the little black thing that was underneath my diffuser and put it on the table because I liked the vibe of the black tying into all the black detail on the placemats and the cushions. And then this was where the black thing was, so I just stacked this little woven thing on top of this one, and I think the colors look really pretty together. And then I just put this vase with the eucalyptus right here, and I actually really like it. I had this one where the eucalyptus was, but I feel like the height of the eucalyptus just like is giving me a vibe right now. So I like this little setup going on here. It's all of Matt's like work clamps that I keep telling him to take down to the garage and he won't, but it's ruining my aesthetic. You know what else is ruining my aesthetic? This girl. She literally came, dumped all of her little giant Legos out, her cushions, are out because her cover is being washed right now because she painted all over it. Now she's probably gonna color on it with markers. She's in the phase where she's coloring on everything and I'm scared. She's already colored on 2 of my pillows. She colored all over this, which is fine, like color all over it, I don't care. She's just a little artist living her best life. Can you say hi? Oh, you're so cute. Did you go to the doctor today? Yeah, are you all better? Boo-boo, are you all better? Yeah. What are you doing? Are you coloring? That's beautiful.
No.
More? Can you say more, please? Indy? Can you say more, please? Say please.
Me.
Good job.
Oh.
Can you say thank you?
Me.
Thank you. Okay, I'm going to show you guys everything I got from Lululemon and Free People. I'm going to start with Free People because it's on top. I got these little biker shorts. They're so incredibly soft. And this is the Intimately brand from Free People, which I love all of their stuff because they have such good basics and they're relatively inexpensive. Like these biker shorts are only $20 and that's cheap in comparison to like all their other regular clothes. Like these and their little camis are the cutest basics and they last so long. So I got these cutie little biker shorts. They're very like lightweight but super soft, as I said. Don't think these are like purposeful for like necessarily working out in. This would be like really good with like an oversized t-shirt. I probably still will wear these to Pilates because, you know, they're just super cute and they could be worn as a workout short. So that's the vibe for that. This is from Free People Movement. So this is their like little workout brand. This is in a size small. This was 58, but it's really cute. Has like the straight across neckline, which I really like. I think that's very flattering on me personally because I'm bigger chested. I don't really like anything too low cut, especially when I'm working out. And then the back detail is really cute. So it's all crisscrossed up like this. Not adjustable, but it still fits really well. And it does have an adjustable clasp in the back. So I thought this was super cute and it looked really good on as well. So just a black little top. And then from Lululemon, I got this little white shirt. I don't know if you guys can really tell. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys. Okay, so don't mind the mess in the background, but this is the shirt. It's just like a little loose fitting, very lightweight little t-shirt. Long sleeve, I should say. I thought this would just be really comfortable to wear like during my teacher training because it gets cold in the studio when you're not working out and we're just sitting there like reading and studying, doing all of that stuff. So last time I was like freezing cold. So I thought this would be cute to like throw over my workout clothes and just chill in. Good like transitional fall piece to have. And again, you guys know me, I love my good basics. So I just thought this was really cute. Okay, and then moving on to leggings. I got 2 pairs of Aligns because it's my favorite. Like I've tried to get the other styles at Lululemon and they're good, but just nothing compared to the Aligns. Like they're my tried and true favorites of all time. I love their shorts, the Align shorts. I love everything about them. I'm obsessed, #1 fan. So I got this really pretty like maroony color, like really dark chocolatey maroon vibe. Tried to see if they have the color on here, but they don't. But I'll link everything in the description box for you guys. I thought this was a really pretty color for the fall. And then I also got this black pair that has this super fun squiggly detail. And I just thought this was like a really cute elevated black legging to have in my collection. So both super cute. I'm obsessed with everything. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a video coming up with all of my favorite workout brands and do a full review for you guys. So be on the lookout for that. Hi, lover. Are you painting now? Can I see? What color?
Blue.
Blue?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, show me. What's in your hair? You got a little fuzzer. Oh, I love it. I just think you're the best artist ever. Are you trying to catch the fly? It's like, get out of here, fly. Okay, for dinner I'm gonna make little like turkey veggie bowls. This is something that I keep in rotation at least like once a month. I think it's super easy and very nutrient dense. It's just a yellow bell pepper, mushrooms, broccoli and cauliflower, and then shaved Brussels sprouts from Trader Joe's, and ground turkey. What else am I missing? Garlic, obviously. You can honestly like play with it and do like different variations. Sometimes if I have like zucchini, I'll cut up a zucchini instead of broccoli. You know, just whatever you have in your fridge. So I'm gonna roast the broccoli and the Brussels sprouts, and then I'm gonna saute the mushroom, bell pepper, and turkey all together, and then I'm gonna put all of it on top of cauliflower rice. Okay, so for the broccoli and cauliflower, I'm just gonna drizzle, sorry I can't see, I'm just gonna drizzle some olive oil, and then same thing, I'm just gonna drizzle my Brussels sprouts with some olive oil. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the Green Goddess seasoning blend. Shush! I'm gonna take the Green Goddess seasoning blend that I got from Trader Joe's and just put a little on top, a little bit on my Brussels sprouts. And then I'm gonna do everything but the bagel seasoning on my Brussels sprouts. And then I'm gonna mix it all together and throw them in the oven at 425 for like maybe 20-25 minutes. Sauteing the veggies in a little bit of olive oil. I did the bell pepper, onion, and mushrooms. I'm gonna cook it until the onion's translucent and the vegetables are soft. And then I'm gonna add in the ground turkey because it doesn't take long to cook. And a little bit of garlic, and then I'm gonna brown the ground turkey and season it with Italian seasoning, and that's it. Flour rice, and then I'm gonna put the turkey mixture on top. And then I'm gonna put the shaved Brussels. Okay, then I just added the broccoli and the cauliflower, put a little bit of guac on there, and then I put the chipotle bitchin sauce on. Any of the bitchin sauces are really good. I have this avocado salsa that would be good too, or like tapatio or sriracha, any of those. Okay, you guys, it's almost 6 o'clock and I have to go into Pilates right now. There's people like right next to me that are loading stuff in their car and I feel so awkward. Okay, I just wanted to let you guys know that I tried these Celsius drinks. This is the kiwi guava. So good. It's zero sugar. It's zero sugar, no high fructose corn I can't fucking talk. No high fructose corn syrup, no aspartame, no preservatives, no artificial colors and flavors, 7 essential vitamins. Anyways, essential energy, accelerates metabolism, burns body fat. My sister told me about them and then she got my mom hooked on them. Couldn't find them for a while, and when I was at GNC I snagged a few of them. Really bomb. I like them better than the Alani Nu energy drinks because they're not as sweet. I feel like the Alani Nu are just a little too sweet for me. So anyways, I'm going into Pilates. See you after. Bye.